Hey freelancers! Want to boost productivity, save time, and work smarter, not harder? Today I've got 5 insanely useful free AI tools every freelancer needs in their toolkit. Let's dive in. First up, no surprise, it's ChatGPT. Need to write emails, proposals, social media captions, or brainstorm content ideas? ChatGPT has your back. Just type in a prompt and boom, instant results. It's like having a personal assistant that works 24/7 and never asks for a raise. Next is Grammarly. Freelancers can't afford sloppy writing. Grammarly uses AI to fix grammar, tone, and even clarity. Whether you're writing client emails or blog posts, it helps you sound smart, effortlessly. Want to turn blog posts or scripts into videos? Try Pictory. It automatically creates videos from text using AI-generated visuals, transitions, and even voiceovers. Perfect for content creators, marketers, or anyone camera shy. Tool number 4, Notion AI. Think of it as your all-in-one workspace with built-in AI. You can auto-generate to-do lists, content ideas, meeting notes, or outlines. It's perfect for project planning and staying super organized. Finally, there's Looka, an AI-powered branding tool. Need a professional logo without hiring a designer? Just enter your brand name and style, and Looka does the rest. Great for new freelancers building their brand on a budget. That's it. 5 powerful AI tools you can start using today for free. Which one's your favorite? Drop it in the comments. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more freelancer-friendly content.